Washington. The Supreme Court said Wednesday it will accept a Biden administration bid to maintain access to a widely used abortion pill. This is true as members of conservative majority voted last year in Roe v. It was first abortion-related dispute High Court will hear since overturning Wade case. The outcome of a lawsuit filed by a group of doctors and medical associations who oppose abortion rights could have far-reaching consequences, placing restrictions on how the drug mifepristone be obtained, who can prescribe it and when it be taken. The court rejected a separate appeal from organizations that ask justices to rule on legality. Food and Drug Administration's approval of mifepristone and a generic version drug in 2000. The High Court intervened in case at an earlier stage, leaving availability of mifepristone unchanged until justices made final decision. This is expected to happen by end of June and will have a nationwide impact, even in states where abortion is legal. In response Supreme Court's decision to take up case, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean Pierre said Biden administration will continue stand behind FDA's approval of mifepristone as safe and effective. He warned that a lower court decision limiting drugs availability, if approved, would threaten to undermine the scientific, independent judgment of FDA and reimpose outdated restrictions on access to safe and effective medication abortion. No woman should be unable to access the healthcare services she needs, she said in a statement. This should happen in America. Period. Fighting the abortion pill mifepristone. Boxes of the medication mifepristone sit on a shelf at the West Alabama Women's Center on March 16, 2022 in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Alan G. BreedAP. The legal battle involves steps the FDA has taken in recent years expand access to mifepristone, which is used with a second drug, misoprostol. End pregnancy early. The FDA approved the abortion pill in 2000 and has loosened rules on the pill's use through a series of actions in recent years. In 2016, agency increased how late in pregnancy mifepristone can be taken from 7 weeks to 10 weeks, reduced the number of in-person visits required from 3 to 1, and expanded number of healthcare providers who can prescribe and dispense medications. In 2021, the FDA eliminated the in-person dispensing requirement entirely. This means patients can receive mifepristone by mail. More than 5 million women seeking to terminate a pregnancy have used the drug since its approval by the FDA 23 years ago. The agency argued that studies show that serious side effects associated with mifepristone are rare. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than half of abortions in the United States are medication abortions. In November 2022, doctors and groups led by the Hippocratic Medical Alliance filed a lawsuit federal district court in Amarillo, Texas, challenging the FDA's 2000 approval of mifepri.